Dun, 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 dun. Is that the... I'm old. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Be For Real. I am Britt. So we are back with another video, and I know what y'all thinking. Sis, where have you been? We are 1 week into the new year, and where have you been? It's been 2 months since you uploaded a video. What is going on? So if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I opened my very own juice bar. I'll insert a clip here. If you follow me on Instagram at BeForReal610, then you'll see the backstory a little bit on me opening up a juice bar and not starting off directly with food. We will eventually get to the food, but for right now, I did start off with juices. So we're working our way up. Okay. Also, if you guys love the shirt that I'm wearing in the photo, you had the opportunity to purchase it. I am doing a little bit of merch, so it will be linked below in the description box. Make a statement, let people know that even though you eat plant-based, I eat good for real. That's the premise behind it. Like, I want you to let people know that you eat good for real. Because people be playing and you not missing no meals and you eat good for real. Am I laying it on too thick? I will move on. As you can see, I am very excited. Hence my video being a little late. Is it too late to say Happy New Year? Happy New Year, y'all. Happy New Year. It's going to be a great one. I don't care. We are going to work hard to make it a great one. Okay, so Happy New Year to all you guys. I hope you are well. I hope you are out there staying healthy. I wish you a prosperous New Year from the bottom of my heart, because we all know last year was extremely rough for a lot of us, and a lot of us are still dealing with it or have dealt with loss. It's a lot going on, but I am here. So yes, we are not going to drag this out. That's just what's been going on with me. But don't get it twisted. The YouTube videos will still be coming. I love doing YouTube. I can't leave you guys. I can't leave you alone. You know, this is where I started. This is where it all began. And I love showing you guys what I eat and helping the transitional vegan or even someone who has been plant-based for a while. If you need an additional recipe, that's what I'm here for. So I really love doing YouTube, so don't be frazzled or worried. I'm here to stay. Okay, so without further ado, I went ahead and did a spin on a classic dish, which is our chicken noodle soup. So we are going to go ahead and hop right into the video. Oh, wait. Before we do, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell to turn those notifications on so you do not miss any of my uploads. And then now we're going to go ahead and hop right into the video. Alright, so boom. When I say this is the easiest, I truly do mean it. We're just going to spend the first part chopping up our veggies. We have some celery, some carrot, some onion. You see me trying to be fancy with the edit, child. It didn't really work out, but y'all get what I'm doing. So the celery and the carrot, I'm going to go ahead and set that aside in a separate bowl. We're going to get to that later. The onion is going to have its own bowl, okay? Or you could just set it to the side, you know, less dishes. I have a cluster of oyster mushrooms. Now, you can use jackfruit. You can use a different mushroom. It's your world, okay? So I'm going to be grabbing a stock pot. We're just going to be placing a little bit of oil in the pot. I'm going to add our onion. Then I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We're going to let that cook down for about 2-3 minutes. You know, let the onions do their thing. Okay, so keep in mind with the oyster mushrooms, you're just doing a rough chop. Nothing intricate, nothing complicated. You just going, you know, running your knife through them joints. Okay, so we're going to place those in the pot as well. We're going to flick our wrist. Then we're going to add our poultry seasoning. Okay, ancestor shimmy. Y'all know the drill. I had to cut in real quick because I know what you're thinking. If you're trying to be plant-based or if you're trying to be vegan, why do you want your plants to taste like chicken? Why do you want your plants to taste like meat? And the real question you should be asking is, why does your meat need plants to taste good? Don't worry, I'll wait. So for the rest of us who know what's up, we are going to move right along. So keep in mind, you can use any poultry blend seasoning that you would like. I like Mrs. Dash chicken seasoning as well, so you can always use that. Here I'm just adding in 2 cartons of veggie broth, which is 8 cups of veggie broth. So we're just going to get that in there, nice and incorporating, combine. We're going to go ahead and bring this to a boil and add in our veggies. Now once we add in our veggies, I did let that simmer down for about 15-20 minutes until our veggies were soft. So I just want to note that, okay? So I am going to go ahead and add in our seasonings here as well. So we got some thyme, some basil, some cracked pepper, some salt. Real simple, okay? You don't have to do too much to this. It comes together on its own, okay? I have a bay leaf. I am going to add a little bit of lemon juice, okay? That's my, that's what I like to do. You don't have to, it's optional. So I'm going to add in a little bit of that. Then we are going to go ahead and add in our noodles. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in some Fusilli. I may not be pronouncing that right. Y'all know my pronunciation be a little suspect with words that ain't native to the tongue. My tongue. Okay? So truth be told, it's 2 different types of noodles in here, but you can use whatever noodles that you want. Don't mind my business. Use whatever noodles you would like. So we then go ahead and let this cook down for about 8 to 10 minutes until the pasta is cooked through, or al dente. Y'all know what I mean. So look at this. You see how it's coming together? I mean, the noodle's not done yet, but you see what's happening? So we go ahead and put our lid on there, let the noodles do what it do. And there we are. So y'all see my other type of noodle in there? I have no idea what that's called. Okay? If someone is like an expert on noodles and the names, just drop it in the comments below. Help out the class. And that is a wrap. We are done. Okay? Simple, easy, to the point. Okay? Adjust the seasonings to your liking, but we are done. Alright, y'all. So it is a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. This is perfect. Well, this is perfect for any time, for real. But it's cold over here on the East Coast, so it's perfect for now. And it's something that the whole family will enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.